It's something about your girl that wants to make her curl. I don't know. Okay, whatever. So, hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I hope you guys are having a good day, good morning, and today I do not have school. So I'm just in the house, and I got this big buckets of slime. Like, different types of slimes and stuff. So I will be showing you guys them. So let's get started. The first thing I'm gonna be showing you is this slime. Oh, did it melt on me? My favorite slime melted on me. Okay, so I'm sorry if they melted. I've been trying to add activator to them, but I kind of ran down. So that's one. So I'm gonna need to buy. So yeah, that melted. It was actually like a really cute jiggery slime. It shimmers. Ew, there's a piece of hair in it. Okay, whatever. Next, I'm gonna stick this. It melts the slimes on my hair, guys. Oh, I'm gonna do this one. It's a clear slime. It's actually really cute. It has like these little rhinestones, like these little things. My third or something favorite. It's like, I don't know, like my fourth favorite or something like that. This one is not melted, so I'm gonna set it on the ground. The next one is this one. It's just a little slime. I remember making this because I was bored. This one is also melted. Like, it's not that melted, but like, it's melted. Okay, so I made this one because I was bored. I just wanted to make slime. I didn't know what to do that day. So let's melt it. Very melted. Moving on. Oh, okay. This one I actually am giving to my brother because he doesn't know how to play with slime and stuff. This isn't a slime. Like, really, it isn't a slime. It's supposed to be a gingerbread man thing. You're supposed to make a gingerbread man, but there's like a piece of paper in here to like show you like what to do. And it kind of got mixed in with the paper. So now it's like all messed up. That's why I'm giving it to him. It has like hard pieces and stuff. Okay. And he likes it. He likes it. So this is his. I'm gonna sit it on his bed for when he comes back. This was like the extra slime when like the slime doesn't really fit in its container. I would put it in this. It's hard. Yeah. Or I might just let Kai keep the slime, empty it out, and just put 2 slimes in there. Oh my gosh, I hate, ow! I hate this. None of it goes in. I'm about to just leave it like this. I can't get it in. Oh, look. You really need to go in, like I'm not playing. This is getting so nice. You know what? There, finally. Next slime. I'm gonna do this. I don't know why, but I like this slime. You guys already know about this slime, but I like it. It's not that sticky anymore. And you guys can really use it. Fishbowl beads. Okay, never mind. It kind of is sticky. Okay, next slime. There's just strings coming from everywhere. Okay. Okay, next is this slime. I don't know if I activated it too much. I don't even know if I activated it since the day I actually made it. Because I did not add any activator. It got these sprinkles in it. Like when I made it, it was like such a nice, it was like a sticky slime. And now it's just like messed up. Okay, you know what? I don't care. Put it all back. Come on. Next slime is this little one. I like this. This is a nice little slime. There's something about you, girl. It's kind of hard. It's really small, so it's like when I'm in class, I can just squeeze it. Then all the glitter gets on my hands. And then it's like, what is she doing? Like, why you all up in my business, teach? Exactly. Okay. This shouldn't be melted. one is actually... Do I have that? I got extra flown beads that came with this. It's okay, so it was like just add stuff and mix it in thing. Next slime is like this. So lime, flow beads, also lime. This is like, it feels really good. It just rips. Like, it's so squishy and stuff. Like, it's soft on the outside and hard in the inside, and it feels just so good, like so freaking good. Probably like my first favorite or something. Okay, next this is plain green slime. Okay, this is so, like, it's sticky. This used to be my first favorite, but then like other slimes that became my favorite. Again, I ran out of activator. If you guys are telling me in the comments, add activator. Ew, this is a piece of hair. Let me look at this piece of hair. My hair. It has good pokes. Good bubbles. And good crackle-lackles. Okay, the next slime I'm going to show you is actually like really melted. Well, I'm going to show it to you anyway. Then I'm going to show you my favorite out of the little ones. So yeah, this one, I tried to activate it yesterday. I don't get why it's so sticky. Like, it literally melted like almost all of my slimes. Nothing. No, nothing's even on my hand. Okay. And the next slime is probably like my favorite out of the little ones. Just look at how messy my hands is. Like, look at my thumb. There's just a little piece just hanging on. Okay. And the next one, this like was so my favorite. I think I activated it last night. Maybe not. This is like such a pretty slime. Just like the blue, and it's blue and white, and just like it's so shiny. And then plus them little gems in it. Like, oh my goodness. Oh, got stuff in it. It's okay. It'll mix in. They won't see it. Okay. Now for the big ones. If you are new to my channel, you guys might not know. Wait, one more slime. This one I actually kind of like. But it's like chip dip. Ooh. Like a nice, yeah, it smells like chip. Okay. Next slimes are the big one. Nope, one more. Wait, where's the container? I was about to put one of them square containers on. Okay, and now the last final one. I'm trying to find out where them real little ones. So yeah, this is it. It's not really much. This hard piece is getting into it. What is the kind? Okay. So only had 2 melted ones so far. I'm gonna show you some of my big ones. Here's one of them. I'm going to show you like 2 or 3 of my big ones. This one is a thin slime. Like it's like hard in the middle, soft on the outside. It's very thick and it's thin. Like if you guys can see it, if you see it. Like say if I were to make like a little bubble, like this, look how thin it is. It's thick, then like when it comes to bubbles, it's thin. Okay. That one's starting to get sticky, but it's okay. I'll show you guys this one, I guess. It's hard. It's jelly. Like, literally jelly. So, I mean, I look at showing you guys this. Maybe another day we'll fix it. It's like has a little bit of hard bites on the top. Okay, and I guess the last one. I mean, I guess I'll show you all of them. But where's my one big one? Where's this one? Oh, it's right here. Didn't I just show y'all this one? Yeah, I did. Okay, so now there's this cloud slime. It gets soft when you start playing with it, but then it like starts to get like harder as you go. Like see how it was first stretchy, you know, like oh gosh. Okay, so yeah, there's that. And now And now the last one is this one. This one is actually my favorite. Cloud Form is my second, and the purple one is my third, and then that clear one is my fourth. That blue little one, that's my first out of the little ones and stuff. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed my channel. Bye!